Ever taken what you thought was the perfect photo, only to find a tourist photobombing in the background? A distracting power line cutting across the beautiful sky, or maybe the lighting was just a little bit off. It's so frustrating, right? You've captured a perfect moment, but it's ruined by one tiny detail. You might think you need to be a Photoshop wizard to fix it, spending hours learning complicated software just to remove one little thing. Or maybe you just give up and delete the photo, losing that precious memory forever. Well, what if I told you there's a new way? What if you could fix any photo instantly with just a few clicks? Today, I am going to introduce you to an incredible AI tool that is changing the game for photographers and anyone who just loves taking pictures. This isn't your average photo editor. This is like having a professional photo retoucher in your pocket, ready to work its magic 24/7. This AI can intelligently analyze your photos and fix them automatically. That photobomber in your beach picture, gone. That annoying trash can on the sidewalk, vanished. It's not just about removing things either. Let's say you have an old family photo. It's faded, maybe a little blurry, and has lost its original vibrance. This AI can work miracles on old pictures. It enhances the quality, sharpens the details, and can even restore colors, bringing those cherished memories back to life with stunning clarity. Imagine being able to see your grandparents' wedding photo as if it were taken yesterday. The AI is smart enough to understand the context of the image. So when it fills in a space where you've removed an object, it looks completely natural, like it was never there in the first place. And for those pictures that are just a bit blurry or this tool can upscale them, adding detail and sharpness that you thought was lost forever. It's perfect for when you want to print a photo you took on your phone, but you're worried it'll look pixelated. The best part is how easy it is. You don't need to watch hours of tutorials. You just upload your photo, select what you want to fix, and let the AI do the heavy lifting. It's simple, intuitive, and the results are honestly breathtaking. You can rescue photos you thought were unsalvageable, and perfect the ones that are almost there. So, if you're tired of letting small imperfections ruin your great shots, you have to check this out. It saves time, it's incredibly powerful, and it unlocks so much creative potential. If you want to discover more amazing AI tools that can level up your photo game, make sure to follow our channel. We're always sharing the latest and greatest tech for creators. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.